Hey everyone! Today I've got some pretty exciting news about the AI race between the US and China. China has managed to narrow the AI development gap with the US to just 3 months in key areas like infrastructure software engineering. That's a huge leap forward considering they were trailing by 6 to 9 months not too long ago. So, what's driving this progress? Let's talk about DeepSeek. This Chinese startup shocked the global AI industry back in January with their AI reasoning model. What makes it so special? It was trained on less advanced, less sanctioned chips and developed more cheaply than Western models. This move challenges the assumption that US sanctions are holding back China's AI sector. DeepSeek isn't just catching up. They might be innovating even faster now. They've developed a novel reinforcement learning method that shows the reasoning process before giving answers. This chain of thought approach was first pioneered by OpenAI but never publicly released. Pretty impressive, right? Now let's talk about another key player, 01.AI, founded by Li Kai-fu. Li, a prominent figure in the AI world and former head of Google China, says that despite the competitive landscape dominated by giants, 01.AI is focusing on practical AI applications. They've launched the 1Z platform, which helps enterprises deploy AI tech more effectively. And guess what? It's already generating significant revenue, with projections to grow several times over this year. It's not just DeepSeek and 01.AI making waves. Other startups like Zhipu.ai and Moonshot, as well as tech giants Baidu, Alibaba, and ByteDance, are all pushing the envelope in AI development. So what does this mean for the future of AI? Well, it's clear that the gap is closing, and innovation is happening at lightning speed. Keep an eye on this space, folks. Things are about to get even more interesting. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech.